अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 21, Waqf or pause. What is Waqf or pause? We will learn with example. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is waqf? In viewers, in an Arabic accent, the meaning of waqf is to pause or stop. That is, at whichever word waqf is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. I repeat, the meaning of waqf is to pause or stop. That is, at whichever word waqf is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. This circle sign, this is a sign of tam, waqf tam, and indicates the completion of a Quranic ayah. One should pause here, one should stop here, one should waqf here. This circle sign, this is the sign of waqf tam. In an Arabic accent, this is the sign of waqf tam, and this sign indicates the completion of a Quranic ayah. We should pause here, or we should stop here, or we should pause here. If a zabar comes on the last letter of the word, then make the last letter sakin when doing waqf. How waqf will happen? How we perform waqf in an Arabic accent? If a zabar comes on the last letter of the word, then make that last letter sakin when doing waqf. We will learn this with example. This is the example of waqf. This is the sign of circle sign. This is the sign of waqf tam. How we perform waqf, let's learn with example. Here last letter has zabar, noon. Last letter is noon and it has zabar, and when we doing waqf, the last letter will be changed into sakin. This is the sign of sakin. This is jazm sign or sakin sign. Any letter which has this sign on it is called sakin letter or silent letter. In the case of waqf, the last letter will be changed into, the last mutaharrik letter change into sakin letter. Let's learn with spelling. Sod, khada zabar so, dal zir di, sodi, क़ाफ या ज़ेर क़ी, सादिक़ी, नून ज़बरना, सादिक़ीन. When we perform waqf, then we pronounce this last letter as sakin. How we pronounce this? Let's learn. Sadiqeen. Waqf. Sadiqeen. Sadiqeen. In the case of waqf, last letter pronounced as sakin, and without pause, we pronounce this letter as mutaharrik. This is the example of waqf. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of waqf. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.